Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. What I am going to do in today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to jump into my trading 212 stock invest, show you exactly what companies I have invested in, what companies I have invested in, which companies are making me money, which companies are losing me money. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get right into the video. The first company that we are going to look at right now is eBay. Okay, good. I have got 16 shares in eBay at $606 with a return of $16.58. It's not too bad. The return is 281. This is a great return. eBay is a company that I believe in. I am a full-time eBay seller, as you know, so I sell a lot on eBay. So make sure that you subscribe down below if you want to learn more about eBay. I am releasing weekly videos to help you make money in eBay. I had to put money into eBay, and that's what I do. I am a full-time eBay seller. I do believe in them as a company. I didn't invest into eBay straight away when I first started buying stocks because there was a lot of dips. Let me just show you this dip right here on the 9th day of December. As you can see, there was a big deal in 2018. I do believe that 2018, I do believe that ecom business are going to serve. So I had to put money into them. And as you know, eBay is one of the leaders of that, as well as Amazon. As you can see, it recently sold off and it's gone down to, they were trading at 58. I got in around 46. It's definitely gonna go back up to around the 59 mark. So I do believe that it's definitely gonna keep increasing, and that's the reason why I put money into them now. Again, I might put more if it dips a little bit more, so I'm gonna hold for now. Now let's go to the next company. The next company is Facebook. I have got $343 in Facebook right now and 21 return, which is around 3.38 return on Facebook. It's better than lose, and I'm making some money, so again, no complaints. It's going to continue to grow. So Facebook is another company that I believe in right now. They have steadily increased, as we can see, from the 10th of November. They are trading at 279. I believe it's gonna continue to grow as time goes on. This is definitely a company that's going to grow. So Facebook is definitely a company that I'm gonna keep holding. I'm gonna put more into it as soon as I see it dip a little bit more. So this is another company that I need to put more in. Now we have to wait and see. Now let's move over to the next company. The next company is Microsoft. Microsoft is a company that I decided to invest in mainly. It's just been a study increase up. Besides, as you can see, I have got $526 in Microsoft with 158 cents return. I do believe it's definitely going to shoot up again. So there is a lot of growth with this one. So Microsoft is another big company, as you know. Let's look at the highest number that it was trading at. Right now it's around 240. It was trading at 225. I believe it's going to continue to grow if we just look at that short alone. So again, Microsoft is another big company, as you guys know. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.